This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Power off the microscope and remove any slide so you have clear access. Lower the stage and rotate the nosepiece to the lowest objective to avoid collisions. Next, locate and loosen the turret lock or set screw. This releases the objective turret so you can rotate. Do this gently to avoid stripping threads. Once the lock is loosened, grasp the objective housing firmly. You're ready to rotate to the next lens without risking damage to optics or sample. You hold the turret steady with one hand and use the other to rotate the nosepiece or unscrew a threaded objective. This keeps alignment and prevents wobble. If your microscope uses a click-stop turret, rotate until you hear and feel the secure click. This ensures proper optical alignment. For screw-in objectives, turn counterclockwise to remove and clockwise to install, finger-tight only. Once installed, verify the objective seats flush and spins freely. Making sure it's snug prevents tilt and maintains parfocal height. You tighten the turret lock now to secure the objective and power the microscope back on. Start at low power, center your sample, and refocus. This reduces risk of striking the slide when moving to higher magnification. Once centered and focused at low power, switch to higher objectives slowly and use fine focus to refine the image. If the image is fuzzy, check that the objective is fully seated, clean the lens with lens paper, and confirm parfocal adjustment. These steps fix most alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.